If your kid's school desk looks like a germy jungle, you're not alone. Here's how to tame it. First up, frequent hand washing. Teach kids to scrub their hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after sneezing. When soap isn't handy, hand sanitizers with at least 60% alcohol do the trick. Next, disinfect high-touch surfaces daily. Tables, doorknobs, and light switches need some TLC with disinfecting wipes or sprays. Use EPA-registered disinfectants to zap those pesky germs. For toys and play areas, wash hard plastic toys with soap and water, or toss them in the dishwasher. Soft toys, machine wash those cuties. Remember, sharing is not caring during flu season. Personal items should stay personal. Label water bottles, lunchboxes, and backpacks to avoid mix-ups. And no shared hats or gloves, folks. Keep bathrooms sparkling. Regularly clean toilet handles, faucets, and sinks. Teach kids to use paper towels to open doors and wash hands afterward. Lastly, if your kid is feeling under the weather, keep them home. It's the best way to prevent spreading illness to others. With these simple steps, you can keep your little ones healthier and happier. Stay germ-free, everyone.